Dear listeners and members of the broadcasting fraternity, today, as we mark National Broadcasting Day, we pause not only to honor a glorious legacy but also to reaffirm our collective vision for the future of public broadcasting in India. It was on this day in 1927 that radio first found its voice in our country, marking the beginning of an enduring relationship between the medium and millions of Indians. Since then, the journey of Indian broadcasting has been one of transformation, service, and nation building. What began as a modest experiment in sound has over the decades evolved into a powerful public institution, Akashvani, the voice of the nation. Next year, on 8th June 2026, Akashvani will complete 90 momentous years of public service broadcasting. That very year will also mark 100 years of broadcasting in India, a landmark that few nations can proudly celebrate. As we approach these historic milestones, Akashvani stands renewed, relevant, and ready for the future. Over the past year, we have taken many definitive steps to embrace the digital era while preserving the timeless spirit of radio. Among our significant achievements is that Akashvani is now available on Waves OTT, a major leap towards anytime, anywhere listening. With this, our content is no longer confined to frequencies but flows freely across digital landscapes, reaching global audiences with the same credibility and warmth. This year, for the first time in history, Akashvani provided live and comprehensive coverage of the Char Dham Yatra, taking our listeners on a spiritual journey from the comfort of their homes and setting a new benchmark in devotional broadcasting. We have launched several new flagship programs that represent both innovation and intent. At the heart of all these initiatives lies one unwavering belief: public broadcasting must not only reflect society but also anticipate its needs. Akashvani News has for decades stood as a pillar of truth in the ever evolving media landscape. In an age of instant information and fleeting headlines, Akashvani remains a beacon of credibility and composure. For millions across the country, Akashvani is not just a source of news, it is the voice they trust when clarity matters most, the voice they turn to when facts must rise above speculation. Our commitment to verified, balanced, and unbiased reporting is not just a journalistic standard, it is a national responsibility that we carry with pride and purpose. As the world moves forward with artificial intelligence, immersive audio, and personalized content, Akashvani too is preparing to integrate emerging technologies that will redefine how we create and deliver content, while ensuring that our core values of accuracy, accessibility, and diversity remain intact. The soul of our service will always be truth, balance, accessibility, and inclusivity. I take this opportunity to express my deep appreciation to all members of the Akashvani family across the country who continue to carry the torch of public service with unflinching dedication. To our millions of listeners, urban, rural, young, and old, you are our true strength, our inspiration, and our purpose. Our strength remains the unwavering trust the nation places in Akashvani. Let us move forward together, honoring the past, enriching the present, and shaping the future of broadcasting in India. From airwaves to AI, from shortwave to smartphones, Akashvani is not just evolving, it is leading. Thank you once again, and warm wishes to you all on this National Broadcasting Day. May we continue to uphold the spirit of truthful, responsible, and inspiring broadcasting.